It's me. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 secrets to more engaging content. Now, you might have seen some of these before, but I bet there's at least one that you haven't heard. Let's go. Secret number 1 is the first 5 seconds of your video. That's it. If you don't hook them in the first 5 seconds, they're gonna score right by. So what does that mean? It means starting off with a bold statement. Here's an example. You know those days when your Wi-Fi just isn't cooperating? I've had enough of this nonsense. Or you could start off with a joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Or you could simply tease what you're about to tell them. This video will change your life. Whatever you do, don't waste the first 5 seconds with something like this. Just get straight into it. Number 2 is storytelling. Keep the story going with B-roll, wipes, jump cuts, even moments of deadpan seriousness. And if things are getting a little too intense, don't be afraid to throw in a joke or a funny face to break the tension. Humor is disarming. It gives the audience a moment to breathe, and it shows them that you're not totally serious all the time. Which brings me to my next point. Don't be too serious. People love to see creators being themselves, being authentic. So if you're normally goofy or deadpan or sarcastic, make sure that comes across in your videos. Be yourself. That's what people fell in love with you for. All right, moving on. Secret number 3 is use creative visuals. AI is a great tool for creating thumbnails, captions, and even editing your videos. But don't stop there. Push the limits. Try something new. For example, did you know that adding captions to your videos can increase watch time by 40%? It's true, and you can easily add captions using AI tools, so give it a try. Secret number 4 is engage with your viewers. Ask them questions, shout out their comments, and make them feel like they're part of the conversation. Remember that old school ask and answer segment that used to be on MTV? Yeah, bring that back. Do it in your videos. Ask your viewers questions, and then take some of the best answers and feature them in a highlight reel at the end of the month or even the week. It's a fun way to interact with your audience, and it gives them a chance to be featured in your videos. Plus, it's a great way to get more engagement. People love to see themselves on camera, and they love to hear their voices being featured online. It's a great way to build a community around your content. And don't forget to always ask them to like, share, and subscribe, the big 3. And finally, secret number 5 is SEO. Add keywords to your titles, descriptions, captions, and even links. But don't go overboard with it. It's called keyword stuffing. Google hates it. People hate it. Nobody likes it. Just sprinkle in a few relevant keywords that describe your video topic. Also, keep in mind that most people are watching your videos on mobile devices, so make sure your text is large enough to read. As for length, videos in the 7 to 10 minute range tend to perform the best. Now let's run through these one more time. Bold statements, humor or tease in the first 5 seconds. Storytelling, keep the flow going. Don't be too serious. Be yourself. Creative visuals, captions increase watch time by 40%. Engage with your viewers, ask them questions, shout out their comments. SEO, add keywords to your titles, descriptions, captions, and even links. But wait, there's more. There's an entire career hub available to you. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the Career Hub and start exploring your options today. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and check out the merch store. YouTube channel, link, merch store, link, Redbubble store, link, Teespring, custom, link, blog, link, VidIQ, link, email, link,